Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to change the language on our website. I'm going to show you how it's all done. It's fairly easy, and when you follow step by step you should have no problem of doing it yourself. So what we need to do, it's actually just a couple of steps. We want to focus on the left sidebar of our Wix dashboard. Click in here, and we have language and region. What we want to do now, it's fairly self-explanatory, and click on language and region. We have side language, which is English. You can check from all of those options. Slovak, which is Slovenčina, is my language. You can easily is not translated to Slovak and will appear in English. So the only thing that we will have to pay attention to, Wix invoices will stay in English. So I'm going to discard changes. I already created some invoices, so I don't really want to mess that up. We are working in currency, which is euro. You can obviously go with more currencies than you can go with languages. Time zone, I'm GMT +1. GMT plus, let me check. That's -1. What? GMT +1. Amsterdam, Belgrade, Berlin, Brussels, Budapest, Copenhagen. Obviously, yeah, you get the memo. And account language, you can go with all of these options as well. Account language, as close as Slovak is Čeština, which means it's a Czech language. So I already added a couple of more informations that I didn't really want it to do. So side language, obviously, this also affects the language of content in some apps installed on your site. So also, if the app is provided with, for example, Slovak language as an option, it automatically switch to that said language as well. If you have any types of questions, let me show you again. You have to go to settings and then language and region, and you are home. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.